Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Ismail Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about tautologies and contradictions, understanding logical statements in practical situations. This is quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 19, evaluating the truth values of propositions in real-life situations. Intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define tautologies and contradictions in the context of propositional logic. Differentiate between tautologies, statements always true, and contradictions, statements always false. Construct truth tables to verify whether a given proposition is a tautology, a contradiction, or a contingency. Apply logical analysis to real life or practical situations that demonstrate tautologies and contradictions. Illustrate everyday examples where tautologies and contradictions naturally occur. The rules, guarantees, and impossibilities. Introduction to tautologies and contradictions. In logic, propositions can either be true or false, depending on the situation. However, there are special cases where a statement's true value does not depend on situation. A tautology is a statement that is always true, regardless of the truth value of its components. A contradiction is a statement that is always false, regardless of the truth values of its components. These concepts are important in reasoning mathematics, programming, and decision making. Tautologies. A tautology is a compound statement that is true in all possible cases. Logical form. Be or not P, the law of excluded middle, is a tautology because a statement or its negation will always be true. Examples in practical situation. It will either rain tomorrow or it will not rain tomorrow. Always true. Covers all possibilities. A person is either alive or not alive. No other possibility exists. If a number is even, then it is always divisible by 2. This is always true by definition. Verification with a truth table. Example, P or B not P. So our P is true, our not P is F, and then the P or not P is true. And then our proposition is F, and then its negation is T. And then the P or not P is T. So the results always true. And this is a tautology. Contradictions. Definition. A contradiction is a compound statement that is false in all possible cases. Logical form. P or not P, the law of non-contradiction, is a contradiction. P and not P is the law of non-contradiction. Is a contradiction because a statement cannot be both true and false at the same time. Verification with a truth table. P and not P. So our P is true, not P is F. So the P and not P is false. And then P is F, not P is T, and then the P and not P is F. So all the result is always false and is called contradiction. Distinguishing tautologies, contradiction, and contingencies. Tautology is always true. Example, either you win or you don't win. Contradiction, always false. You are both awake and asleep at the same time. Contingency, truth depends on the situation. It is sunny today. Sometimes true, sometimes false. So that is contingency. Applications in real life. In computer science, ensuring programs don't contain contradictions in conditions. In mathematics, using tautologies in proofs and reasoning. That is what we call algebraic identities. Law, avoiding contradictory statements in contracts. In everyday life, recognizing when arguments are tautological, it is what it is, or contradictory, I never lie except right now. Key takeaways: by illustrating tautologies and contradictions in practical contexts, learners not only strengthen their logical reasoning, but also develop critical thinking skills that apply across subjects and daily decision making. Our practice problems for our understanding of tautologies and contradictions in practical situations. Illustrate the different types of tautologies and contradictions using practical situations. Number 1. If a number is even, then it is divisible by 2. So we are required, if a number is even, then it is divisible by 2. Required, identify the logical form and decide whether it is tautology, contradiction, or contingency. Solution. Form. Conditional. P to arrow to the right, Q. So where P, the number is even, and Q, number divisible by 2. By definition of even, every even integer is divisible by 2. So this conditional is true for all integers, a universal mathematical fact. It is not a formal logical tautology. It depends on arithmetic definition, but it is universally true mathematical statement. So the final answer, universally true mathematical fact and domain truth. So we will have the number 2. The sun will rise tomorrow, or it will not rise tomorrow. Given, the sun will rise tomorrow, or it will not rise tomorrow. So required, classify the logical type, the form, the solution, form P or not P. This is the law of the excluded middle. This is true for every possible truth value of P. So the final answer, logical tautology. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 4, Numbers and Algebra, Lesson Roman numeral number 19.